Guys, this is the most amazing thing that can happen after Christmas. It's snowing. I mean, look. See what the water's frozen in our fountain? Y'all guys have probably never seen our house, but there's what our porch looks like. Okay, I'm trying my best to not slip, and so I can show you guys the rest. There's my mom's, there's a 30-year-old soccer ball. If you're interested in that. Okay, guys, I have to be super careful doing this. Look at my dad's car. It even has a mustache. I was going to write, I like cats in it, but it was too early in the morning. It was too cold. Look, it's frozen solid. There's my best friend's house. Their house is already thawed out. So that's no fun. But look, I was even playing in here before, and it's even got back together. It's super awesome. Just look. It's less than 8 degrees out here. So I'm having to use very, very good snow gear. Here, if you want me to, guys, I can zoom you in. See? And my mom's car didn't get any because she was in the garage. We just got another new TV. My dad's car has icicles. The front's already thawed out, which kind of stinks. Look. It's amazing. This might be one of my coolest videos, but you never know in YouTube. See, look, even the raindrops are frozen that were on my dad's car. Frozen solid. And the rocks in there are frozen. It's just awesome. Oh, my friend brought me over a big piece of ice he found. Well, guys, that was my review on the awesome snow we had. Thanks for watching. Bye. Have a great day.